Hello viewers, Mike here, and we continue to work on the Lazy Susan for our welding table benchtop. And this is the plate that I plan on getting the steel out of to use for the top disc on the Lazy Susan. And it's 3/4 of an inch thick. I wish it was a little thicker, but we'll just use what we have. To start out with, it's got these cast iron wheels bolted onto it, and I'm going to do a sever cut, and I'm going to get those wheels out of the way. So hang on, here we go. I usually set this according to sound, and it has, I guess, some correlation to thickness. So I did add this knob, this knurled knob, so I can easily set this thing. So, okay, let's get started. Alright, checking out the Fifine wireless mic. We'll see how this baby's working. So if you can see me, wave back. Hi there. Okay. So I hope this solves my noise problem, my background noise problem, and the problem with some of my viewers not being able to hear me while I'm making a movie. So I'm going to go play back the camera right now and see how it works. Okay, thanks a lot. There's 30 thousandths. I don't know if I can get it any better than that or not. There's 28 thousandths. Let's tighten it up, see if she holds. I actually got a little better. There's 20 25 thousandths. Okay viewers, here's a little progress update on this turntable. I rough turned the top face of the top plate. Once the axle is installed, I will do a finish turn, and I'll cut some witness grooves in here for workpiece positioning, concentricity measure. And the back side is not finished. It's not necessary, it's non-functional. However, I did bore a 5/8 hole in there to help me to get this axle welded in there straight. But once the axle is welded in there, I'll put it on the lathe and I'll hold it by the axle, and I'll take a skim cut on the top face and finish this off. But I didn't want to do the rough cut off that little 5/8 axle on this big piece. And then you saw this piece the other day. This is the foot plate for the polished wheel, and it's just flame cut, but I did take a grinder and kind of finish the edges, and that's good enough. So it'll also have a piece welded in to accept the axle for the top plate. And here's a little plate I found. I think I could use this somehow. And then I'll have to figure out how to mount the holding bracket for the bottom plate. Cut a hole in the top of my table. I think I'm going to put it right about in here somewhere. But the holding bracket, in order to give me enough room to put the top plate, the holding bracket's going to have to go back behind that shelf somewhere. And you say that shelf is just a mess. It's just a collect-all for junk. So that's where we're at, and next time well, I'm not sure what we'll do next time, but we'll do something. So we'll see you then.